Introducing the 2026 Kia Ev5 Earth K 3LR 5-door auto. This sleek and efficient electric MPV is loaded with comfort, safety and tech features for a top-notch driving experience. From Bluetooth connectivity to collision avoidance braking, this car has it all. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer serviced and comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Visit us at Dooley Motors Carlow or give us a call to schedule a test drive today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own the ultimate eco-friendly and stylish vehicle.